Let's change your default language in Brave browser right now. Start by opening the Brave app on your computer. Move your cursor to the top right corner of the screen and click on the three horizontal lines to open the main menu. Scroll down to the bottom of this list and click on Settings. Once the Settings page opens, look at the left sidebar. Scroll down until you see Languages and click on it. The main screen will update to show your preferred languages. Right at the top of this section, click on the blue button that says Add Languages. A pop-up menu will appear with a massive list of options. You can scroll through this list or save time by typing your desired language directly into the search bar. Click the checkbox next to the language you want to install, then click the blue Add button in the bottom right corner. Now you will see your new language listed in the Preferred Languages section. Click on the three vertical dots right next to the language you just added. A small drop-down menu will appear. Check the box that says Display Brave in this language. The important thing is that this change will not take effect immediately. You will see a new button appear right next to the language called Relaunch. Click Relaunch to restart your browser. Brave will close and immediately reopen in your new language. Now, that goes both ways. When you change this setting, websites will also see your new language preference and will try to translate their content automatically, meaning you lose the default layout of your original language. If you ever need to revert back, just return to the language settings. Click the three dots next to English. Check the box to display Brave in that language and relaunch the browser again. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.